Learn how to create transparency through text that blends beautifully with any background in Canva. Start by adding your text to the design. Select the bold, thick font for the best result. Apply the lift shadow effect from the menu and increase its strength to make the text stand out. Then, set your text color to white. Duplicate the text layer. Then download the entire design as a PNG file. Head back to your project and remove the original text elements. Now, upload the PNG text image you just downloaded. Add your desired background image. Navigate to Apps in the side panel and open the Blend Image app. Place your uploaded text image as the top layer and your background photo as the bottom layer. Finally, change the blend mode to multiply. Your text will now appear transparent, allowing the background to show through and creating a professional blended effect.